Take the included torch and locate the sockets found at the bottom of the machine. Plug the main cable into the negative socket. This secures in place with a push and twist. The plug on the control lead will only go in one way. Line this up with the control socket on the front of the machine and secure it in place using the locking collar. Simply push fit the gas hose into the quick release connector. This is labeled gas outlet. The earth lead is plugged into the positive socket and is secured in place with a push and twist. Now we can install the included gas hose and regulator. Begin with attaching the gas hose to the gas outlet found on the back of the machine. Now install the regulator to the gas bottle. Once this is secure, fit the other end of the gas hose to the regulator. Using a spanner, tighten up all of the fittings. The machine setup is now complete.